Hi. Okay. So this is what I got in the mail yesterday. It is the new Cardo Edge by Cardo Systems. I am very excited to try it because it's supposed to be the most advanced communication system out there. Some of the features include an air mount, which means that you can just snap it on the side of your helmet and that's it. It's waterproof and it has a range of 1 mile, which is, I think it's pretty generous. It's great. And you can make groups of 2 to 15 riders and you can communicate while you ride. I think that's a great feature because it makes riding fun and safer. I'm going to install it on my Scorpion XO helmet. The model is a covered FX. I will leave the link for this in this. If you are interested in trying the new set from Cardo, you can use code MOTOGAL, MOTOGAL, and get a 20% discount. So let's open this baby up and I'll show you how to install it. This is supposed to be the easy part, but somehow it's always the hardest to record. So I'm going to take this out. Okay. Here we go. Excuse me. Let's open it up. Okay, so set. Let's do the set. Sticker. Okay, we're gonna try this again because it wasn't recording. All the instructions on how to download the app, install this, the warranty are in there. All the other accessories include JBL speakers, 2 Velcros for the speakers. The rectangular Velcros are for the microphones. This microphone is for closed-faced helmets. This is what I'm going to be using. They also included a microphone for closed-faced helmets. I will not be using this one. This is just a sticker in case you want to install the Cardo system on the outside of your helmet as a sticker. I'm not sure if that makes any sense. This is the clipper for the magnetic air mount, which is what I will be using on my helmet. So this one goes in here, this one goes in there, and this goes on your helmet. USB charger, alcohol pads, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so I am actually going to show you how to install it now. Since I don't want to scratch my helmet, I am going to use this neck pillow. So let's do this. First, we're going to remove the cheek pads and, if necessary, the liner inside. Okay, so this is my helmet. This is the left side of my helmet, right side. And yours probably has speaker pockets too. I hope you can see them, those right there. That's where we're going to put the round Velcros. It's easy. We're just going to peel this off. And so you can see, put it right there. And we're going to do the same with the other side. Since I do want to hide my cables, I am going to remove my liner as well. Not completely. I'm just going to unbutton these two. Let's do the hard part first. We're going to grab the JBL speakers. If this is the first time you're doing it, the short cable is going to go on your left side and the long cable is going to be on the right. So you can see here, this one, this one is significantly shorter than this one. We're going to put again the short speaker on the left side, and this should stick quite easily to the Velcro. That's it. We are going to hide the cables behind the liner. This we're going to leave hanging out here. But we're gonna go. We're gonna put these cables back here, and we're gonna put the right speaker on the right Velcro, just like that. And take your time putting these back here and making them comfortable. There we go. Now, my helmet has a vent, which is no problem. It just means that I can't install it like this. I'm going to do it like this. And it's going to be on the top here. Oh. There we go. So that's where I'm going to put mine. So after you're done with the Velcro for the speakers and for the microphone, we're gonna I'm gonna be using the clipper. So I'm gonna grab the air mount, and if you can see, this is focus. Okay, thick, thin, thick. We're gonna match that, and we're gonna slide it. Okay, we're gonna have to be more gentle than that. But you're gonna hear it click, and you see it's steady, it's firm, so that means it's installed. Since the rubber of my helmet is less than 5 millimeters, which is the distance of the measurements of the clipper, I should be able to just slide it. Again, you want it on your left side, and you want it as close as possible to this cable. Make sure it's okay. To show you that, see the space between the rubber and the helmet. I'm gonna slide it in there. Okay, so now that it's in there, you can see the cables are still out here. Before we put the cheek pads back on, we're gonna grab the speakerphone, and we're gonna put it on the Velcro in there that we had installed before. There. And we're going to connect these two. Oops, it's the other side, obviously. Okay. And we're going to connect the set to the speakers. There we go. I won't show you how I'm gonna hide these, but just try to do it in a way that is comfortable for you, and adjust it if necessary. I'm gonna pause this for a second. So the cheek pads are back in there. As you can see, or if you can see anything, there are no loose cables in there, which is fantastic. I did have to do a minor adjustment. You see focus, these cables were sort of loose here, and you can see them go in there. So what I did was I removed the clipper, and then I put the cables in there. Give them a little room to wiggle so you don't ruin them, but I think it's a more neat look and installation. I really like it. The fun part, we're gonna grab the set, and look at this. Whoa. Anyway, so it's that easy. And to release it, you can see this little plastic here. See how it wiggles? You're gonna push it, and to release, just press forward. Ta-da! One more time, just because it's fun. Wow. Okay, and it's not gonna go anywhere. Again, to release, press this one and push forward. Okay, that's it. Now let's see how it looks on. Okay, so again, thank you for looking at my tutorial. I hope it was useful and simple. Again, you can use code MOTOGAL to get 20% off your purchase. Final product, I am loving it. I'm gonna put it on. Thanks for watching.